In this video, I will show you how to remove and install the Y motor assembly in the RVV 700 located here. First step in removing the Y motor assembly is first to unplug the harness from the control board. To do that, first we need to remove the control board cover by loosening up these two screws and lifting the cover off. After removing the board cover, unplug the Y motor harness from the control board and then cut any wire ties leading from here to the Y motor assembly. After cutting your wire ties, we need to remove the 4 nuts that hold the motor assembly into place. 2 located here and 2 on the back side that you'll have to feel for. After removing all 4 nuts, to remove the Y motor assembly, we need to pull down and away. We've just completed removing the Y motor from the RVV 700. To reinstall, reverse the removal process.